How to resize row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can resize your row height or column width in different ways, how you can do it using the mouse, or how you can do it using your default menus. Now, let's get started. The first one is to use the mouse. If you need to know your row height, just click on that row. Then, when you hover your mouse at the end and click there, you can see your row height. OK, and if you drag it, you can resize your row height. Now, if you want to know your column width, go to that column, select it, and hover your mouse at the corner. Then, click it. You can see your column width, and if you drag it, you can resize it. This is the first one. Now, you can see here in row 1 it's higher than user. OK, all the rows have the same size except this one. Now, if you want to go back to the default size, select that row and hover your mouse at the end of your row and double-click there. You can see the row height has been adjusted. Now, for column to adjust with double-click, you need to write something inside it. So, this is the text, and now if I want to adjust the column width, hover your mouse at the edge of your column and double-click. You can see it has been resized. OK. Now, there is another way. Select a column, right-click, and you can find column width, and you can change the column width from here. Let's write 10 here and click OK. The column width has been changed. For row, select the row, right-click, and you can find row height. Change the row height and click OK. Now, there is another way to change the row height and column width is to click on the Home tab and click on Format here, and you will find row height. You can change it. If you select Autofit Row Height, let's change the row height, and if I click here and click Autofit Row Height, you can see row height has been auto-fitted. And again, Home Format Column Width, you can change it, and you can auto-fit column width, and all the columns are now the same size. You can change the default column width from here also. Now, if you change the column width or row height for the whole worksheet, you can either go to Home and click Format and auto-fit them. Or if you want custom row height and custom column width, you will have to select the entire worksheet. Go to the Home and then change the row height for that worksheet. Click OK, and you can see row height has been changed. By selecting it, same place, column width, you can see it has been changed. So, you can change it with your mouse also. Hover your mouse at the edge of your row and drag it, and you can see all the rows have been changed again. With the column, hover your mouse at the end of your column, click here, and change the size, and the entire worksheet has been changed. OK, so to take effect for the entire worksheet, you have to select the entire worksheet either by clicking here or pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now, let's say if I want to copy the column width of column A, you can see it's wider than others. OK, now I want to copy the column width from here. OK, if I select any cell in column A and click on Copy, then I want to copy the width in column B. So, right-click here and go to Paste Special. Click on this arrow, and you can see here, Keep Source Column Width. If you click here and you can see you just copied the column width of column A and pasted it in column B. This is how you can resize row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, please support the channel through Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.